So I'm earning almost $200 per day on Turbo's Finance with the SUI USDC pool. And I really wanted to shoot this video because probably 2 months ago, I was getting a lot of people saying, you would have just been better off holding SUI. And that thinking is so short term and it's so flawed. I've more than ROI'd on my SUI. So I have $10,000 in this position. I've made more than $10,000 in free SUI. That gets put into my bull run bag, and I'm still earning $200, almost 200. We'll call it 180, 160 per day in cash flow on my SUI USDC pool. We must see our DeFi portfolios, and this is where people get tripped up. They think, well, if I just held it, I would have done more. Well, that's theoretical because you're not locking in the profit. Liquidity pools and building a DeFi portfolio forces you to take daily profit. Most people are buying assets and they're hoping they go up. You don't get paid until you sell. And so they're buying all this stuff, hoping it goes up. Most people, more than 80% of people who play the markets lose, meaning you're chasing a pipe dream. The odds are against you unless you're doing this full time and you're a pro. To me, the fastest way to go full time and become pros is to make cash flow. So if I'm making, $180 here, if I'm making another, I don't know what I'm doing over here now, $219 over on another platform, earning another $100 over here, another $100 over there. Next thing you know, you have a full-time income. Just these two alone make $400. I mean, now the APRs are 700%. So it's probably more like $200. This was over the last day and a half. So the numbers add up. And people are still like, well, you would have been better holding off just SUI. Well, even if you had a wide range at 1.4 to 2, when is this? Since January. So we'll just call it February, March. So let's just say over the last 2 months, you would have been in range. Maybe you popped out of range for a minute here. People freaked out. Most people, let's just say you bought it here and you just held it because you're waiting for $10 SUI. Well, you would have held it. It would have been worth a little more. Most people probably sold here because they freaked out. Remember, we have a 24-hour yield farming rule. So like we don't rebalance or do anything for 24 hours. So I hung out. I know what SUI's worth. Popped right back in. For a minute, SUI went to $2. Of course, haters come out of the woodwork, say, haha, it's going to the moon. You would have been better holding. No, I'm just chilling. And now we're back in range. If you would have bought it in February, and now you were holding it till now, you would have $0. You'd be basically where you started. Whereas me, I've earned, 20, 30, 40% every month on it. I mean, the numbers don't lie. We're at 700%. 700% divided by 12 is 58%. It probably won't autofocus, but you get the point. 58% a month. If you're in this for 2 months, which you can clearly see that you would have easily been in here, and I think we still got more juice, you would have made 100% on your money. And now you can put SUI in your bull run bag. I don't want to make this about SUI and turbos because it's not about that. This is true for any DEX, any assets. Who is better off right now? Would you be better off? Just answer this question. That's all you got to do. If you would have entered a liquidity pool here, made 120%, taken what you're earning it, converted to SUI and put it in your bull run bag. So you've just doubled your bags and that's free. That's risk free. And you're still making $200 in cash flow per day. I don't know. You tell me. In Extra Finance, we did the exact same thing. We started with $4,000. It's now over $4,000. Now it's worth almost $20K. I could literally take my $5K back of Arrow and of OVN, put it in my bull run bag, and I'd still be making $200 per day. We want the best of both worlds, and I think people are very short-sighted. That's what we mean when we say we're building a DeFi business. That's what we do in the UIG. Literally every week we put out 3 new positions, 3 new businesses we invest in. It's the way we think about it. Those give us cash flow so we can buy back our time, And now you can devote more time into crypto and DeFi. A lot of our members are now making this a full-time gig. You'll see it in the wins section. We have someone who joined the team part-time because they really wanted to help. And now they're like, I'm making so much money that I'm going full-time. Both they want to work more with us, but also they can leave their job. And that's happening more and more. When you're building a DeFi business, most people, again, they're buying something, they're hoping it goes up. They don't buy their time back with it. And then they're disappointed when it just kind of keeps going up, down, up, down, up, down. They get excited here saying, oh my God, I'm going to be rich. And then they sell down here because their stomach can't stomach the pain. 80% of the market does that. And so do you want to take that bet, or would you rather get paid every single day and then take that cash flow risk-free and put it into your bull run bag? Because now you can wait on that. That's fine. You could speculate a little bit there. That's fine. But you're getting paid daily. You're getting paid daily. You saw what I started with here. I started with just under $5,000. If you've been watching the YouTube journey, if you've been part of the UIG, you know we call this stuff early. It's now worth $10K because I do compound some of it, and I'm sitting on a bunch of SUI for free. This isn't made up stuff. I'm not photoshopping this. I can refresh this. This is real. Refresh. There it is. That's cool. And 2 years ago, I started seeing the potential of DeFi, like real DeFi. Even in the bear market, you can still make yields. I want businesses that pay me every single day. And this is cash flow to the extreme. You cannot make these returns anywhere else. So that's my time. I hope this video inspires you to show you what is possible. By the way, we do have a free course that you can come join. Look at Robert too. He just posted his we have a portfolio review section here in the UIG where we review people's portfolios. He's doing $220 per day, and I know where he started. Now his portfolio is worth $20,000. Some people say, oh my God, that's $20,000. Most people don't start there, but it grows fast. But even if you take a zero off that and you say, hey, I have $2,000. Well, that would be $22 per day, which sounds like it's getting close to $1,000 a month. I think he's doing 42% on average per month right now. $100K a year on $20,000. That's ridiculous. I'll do another video of that and break it down. Anyways, if you're not interested in the UIG, here's Colin, by the way. He's going live. He's got 72 people joining him. He's doing an education support call for the newer members to help them get into some positions in the Your First Dollar in DeFi. So we go live almost every single day in the UIG. We have multiple groups, multiple investment groups, multiple opportunities coming out every single week. We do the TA, we do the research, we do all of it. But if you're into free, we also have DeFi as a Business. That is a free course that dives in deep. If you would like access to the free course, do let me know in the comments below. We'll zap you over a link. It's deep. And then we also post articles almost daily or different videos or different things that are happening here. So that's that. So what I'll do is I'll move my little mug in the middle, and I will leave some videos for you after you have liked this video and subscribed to this YouTube channel, and after you have left a comment or a question or feedback or some value that you've gotten from this video, or if you want the free course, leave it in the comments. After you do that, I'll put some videos on the screen, some education support. I'll put some videos on the screen. We'll go deep into DeFi. We'll go deep into crypto. We'll look at some client member wins. We got one member right now earning $28,000 a month. You should listen to his story. It's ridiculous. And I'll leave some of our portfolio stuff down there. So do check out the videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. And with that said, I'm going to get out of here. See you soon. Peace.